Hello everyone. The renovation work is still going smoothly. On my day off, I went to the building materials market to purchase various tiles for the bathroom and kitchen. There are too many types to choose from, so I let the salesperson recommend some styles to me. The tiler is still the same old buddy as before, and it's my first time seeing the tiling process with tiles. We used a lot of auxiliary materials such as cement, adhesive, and bonding agent to ensure a stronger bond between the tiles and the walls. If the tiles have been soaked in water, only cement is needed. These tiles of various shapes were given as gifts by the store and are hidden behind the cabinets. This time, I chose square wood grain tiles, but the actual effect doesn't seem as nice as I imagined. After the tiling work on the ground floor was completed, the wood was delivered to the site. To speed up the progress, both the tiler and the carpenter worked simultaneously. The carpentry work included structural components, ceilings, and curtain boxes. The purpose was to hide the air conditioner indoor unit, various pipes, electrical wires, and other objects. It took a total of 10 days for everything to be completed, which is relatively short for this particular process. The final step is the treatment of the tile joints. First, we clean up any garbage in the joints and then use a grout. The purpose is to prevent dirt from accumulating in the joints, to prevent bacteria growth. Nowadays, the grout used is waterproof and moisture-proof, preventing surface water from entering and ensuring that the joints remain dry. This is particularly useful in cities like Shanghai where the weather is often humid. By the next day, the grout had already completely dried and hardened, so all that was left to do was to use a blade to remove the excess from the surface of the ceramic tiles. This step might not seem difficult at first glance, but it still requires a certain level of skill and patience. At this point, the major part of the hard furnishings is about 70% completed. The next step is to work on the walls. See you next time.